Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW badge. First, gather your tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a heat gun or hair dryer, and a cleaning solution like rubbing alcohol. Make sure your new badge is ready and that you have a soft cloth for cleaning. Working on a clean surface will help prevent any scratches or damage to your vehicle's paint during the process. Now, let's remove the old badge. Apply gentle heat to the badge using a heat gun or hair dryer for about 1 to 2 minutes. This softens the adhesive, making removal much easier. Once warm, carefully insert your plastic trim tool under the edge of the badge. Slowly work your way around, prying it up. Take your time to avoid damaging the paint underneath. With the old badge off, it's time to prepare for the new one. First, use rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth to thoroughly clean the area. Remove any remaining adhesive residue or dirt to ensure a strong bond. Once the surface is dry, peel the protective backing from your new badge. Carefully align it with the existing indentations or marks, then press it firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure good adhesion. To finish up, apply gentle, even pressure across the entire new badge for a few minutes. This helps the adhesive bond properly. It's also a good idea to avoid washing your car for at least 24 hours, giving the adhesive ample time to fully cure and set. Your new badge will look fantastic. And hey, while you're upgrading, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're seriously comfortable and built to last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.